Hi, I'm Nadia. Welcome to this week's episode of Apartment Series. Today, I'll be showing you how to make 3 natural DIY cleaning products for the bathroom. The first cleaning product is a vinegar all-purpose cleaner that can also be used as a glass cleaner. I found this hack on cherishedbliss.com. First, what we'll need is 2 cups of warm water, 1/4 of a cup of vinegar. You can get 1 liter of vinegar for $1.39, 1 teaspoon of dishwashing liquid. You can get a bottle of 532 milliliters for $1.88. You'll need the juice of half of a lemon. You can buy a lemon for 50 cents. You'll need a lemon squeezer, a wet cloth, a knife, a cutting board, a teaspoon, a measuring cup, and a spray bottle. You can buy a spray bottle for about $1.25 at the dollar store. Step 1. Using the cutting board and knife, cut the lemon in half. Step 2. Juice half the lemon. Step 3. Combine all ingredients to a spray bottle and gently shake. Step 4. Apply to kitchen counters, bathroom counters, toilets, mirrors, and more. Step 5. Wipe away with a wet cloth. Just a side note, when using vinegar, do not use it on stone surfaces such as granite or marble floors because it will cause etching. Do not use vinegar on wax surfaces, cast iron, or aluminum. The second hack is a shower head cleaner. This is from BuzzFeed.com. First, what we'll need is white vinegar, a small plastic bag, and a rubber band. Step 1. Fill the plastic bag with white vinegar. Step 2. Secure the bag over the shower head and tie with the rubber band. The third hack is how to clean your tub using a grapefruit. I found this hack on apartmenttherapy.com. First, what we'll need is 1 medium to large grapefruit cut in half, which costs about $1.68. You'll need 1/4 of a cup of coarse salt. 1 big box costs about $1.99. You'll need a knife and a cutting board. Step 1. Cut the grapefruit in half. 1 large grapefruit is enough to clean your entire bathtub or shower from top to bottom, including all the fixtures. Step 2. Using half of the grapefruit at a time, generously sprinkle the top with salt. Step 3. Wet the bathtub and sprinkle the remaining salt around the bottom. Step 4. Scrub the tub with the grapefruit. Keep lifting the grapefruit every couple of seconds to keep picking up the salt to continue scrubbing. And when cleaning the fixtures, lightly squeeze the grapefruit to get some juice over it. Step 4. Rinse away the pulp and salt, and your shower will look brand new. As a side note, you can also use this technique to clean your sinks, toilets, tiles, and more. You can make each of these DIY products for just under $4, and just think of how many times you can remake the cleaning product. You'll be surprised by what you can do with what you already have at home. Thanks for tuning in to this week's episode of Apartment Series. If you have any tips or tricks that you love that are inexpensive and make your life easier, please share them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this page. We'll be back next week with an all-new episode for Hacks on a Budget.